Welcome. Today, we're diving into a useful feature on the Messenger app for PC that many users might not know about. Have you ever found yourself scrolling through your chats and realized you need to revisit a conversation later? Well, marking a chat as unread can help with that. Let's walk through the steps to do just that with the latest update to Messenger. First things first, head on over to the Messenger app on your PC. If you haven't already opened it, click on the Messenger icon on your desktop or in your taskbar. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by all your active conversations. This is where the magic happens. Now, take a moment to find the chat you want to mark as unread. You might already have something in mind. Perhaps it's a conversation that requires a more in-depth reply, or maybe you just want to remember it for later. Scroll through your list of chats and locate that specific conversation. After you've found the chat, hover your mouse over it. You'll see a few options appear on the right side of the chat. Look for the three dots, which are often referred to as the More Options icon. Click on those three dots to reveal a menu full of additional features. In this menu, you'll see a selection of choices, but what you want to focus on is the option that says Mark as Unread. Click on that, and voila! The chat will now appear as unread, making it easy for you to notice it later when you're ready to dive back in.